congratulate each of you on this historical day where all of us, we are enjoying the program that we have started a new beginning in Khumphoi Academy by extending it. What do you call that? Khumphoi Annex. Honorable EM Education was telling me it is not annexed, but it is annexed. In fact, all of us, we should know the data in Tripura. The largest number of students we get to see in Tripura school is, I think, Don Bosco and Holy Cross. Figuring 5,000, 3,000 students there. And I'm glad to announce that now on, Khumphoi Academy is also registering as a club member in that 3,000 to 5,000 students. I'm sure the teachers and the parents will be happy, but teachers have to take more responsibility. When you are handling only 1,600 students, now you are going to handle 3,000 to 4,000 students in Khumphoi Academy. When I was sitting on the dais and looking at the students, I was discussing to our Honorable CM on this auspicious day. I think I would love to see more number of parents, whereas only the students are sitting here. Chini, Borogrok, officers, teachers who have organized this program, taken responsibility to organize this program, you should have had invited more number of parents in this program, which has not happened. Chini is a more message. Sang kaisa Khumphoi annex phiokmani. Omo guardian rongni bising tise teibo kok awai Mung nani tongmani hati. And also, you all should know that we have spent 55 lakhs to repair the old buildings to bring up Khumphoi Annex. Mo 55 lakh taka Chini ADC High institution ni bagai. It is a big amount of money. You all know, I am sure some of the ministers from state government, they will watch this program today in the evening after their office hours. I want to tell them, where the state government is having budget of 26,800 crores, ADC budget is only 619 crores. In spite of small amount of budget given to us, we have shown our courage, motivation, conviction, commitment to the people that money and funds will not stop us to take ahead our dreams, that all the poor students living in ADC area should get the facility of modern education. And we must thank our CM Maharaja and also our Honorable EM Education for this big initiative taken by all of them. We must give them a big hand for this courageous move that we have started. We have taken one of the finest initiatives towards achieving modern education and fulfillment of the dream of the Pramotha. I should not tell that because this is the government program, but still, without the party, leaders cannot come, EMs cannot come. Norobanuka, 38 years so, Kumpui Academy Bozagatang Sobika. Kumpui Academy, no. Even person like me, I didn't know much about Kumpui Academy, to be very frank. If somebody asked me the top 10 schools in Tripura, first in Maino Painai, Holy Cross, Don Bosco, Auxilium, Shishu Bihar, Kumpui is nowhere. But I am telling you, after we have taken over here in TTADC, this is the first time in the history of Kumpui Academy, 12,000 students applied to get admission in Kumpui Academy. Abu Bhai Shambhav Khaba. It is because Chini Orahapang Paimani Pore, Kumlungo at the Poribes Kifili Paika, the Kumlungo Butsen, Shika Naharimano, Porimano, Je Lekapora, Sara Tripurani, Je Kuno Skulni, Kaham Kaham Skulni, Boraboruni Nehit. Kindu Tini Oro, Sarai Roksepuila, Rwngswrwngnai Borok by welcome Kaika, Angyem Education Masaka, Kumpui Academy Theke, Doctor, Engineer, Kobiraz, Bayrangai into singer Kiza Kom Bayrangan. Because the quality of songs and the rhythm, the tune, you have to improve more. And next time when we come to Kumpui Academy, we would like to see at least 50 students lining up and performing group songs. Don't bring 3,000 students and hardly 15 students are performing here. You must take 50 good children who has the caliber to sing, let them perform the group songs. EM education mama sakao kok thigno or doctor engineer kabang bayring kano singer kiza kom no bayring nai net. But you have to prove him wrong. That even singers are here among the students. Ang tebo hamzaka tini je Kumpui annex ni bising ti simino sang thaglak honorable EM education by jokon kok salai dongujang Muti hai Kumpui Academy. Mochin ekta brand ngai thangai. India, especially the teachers. What is brand? Brand is something, a name which is known by people. All Indian Institute of Medical Science is a brand. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT is a brand. NIT is a brand. Even in Tripura, Kumpui Academy has become a brand now. And this has become possible because of the administrators, because of the teachers, and because of the political will of present administration in TTADC. Tabuk Oro Kumpui annex Klaimanahai, I got to know from him, we will be having more number of Kumpui academies in other areas of Tripura or TTADC. Unokuti Wrwngnai, Nini South Wrwngnai. I think it is coming up in the north, somewhere in Jampui. So, more brain no. So, nuble is a pung I can no taklai. Tam sanane oron charerok no to Tibrasamang no pride no kok borok buzu. Nong puma bufas no ses kega pung I can no. Daily 50 জন 100 জন বড় গেট ঠাটাক 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 গুছি দিও তাম ব্যাপার গেট খোলক গাই স্যার কুম্পুয়ান চারাইনা এডমিশন না নেই এত হারে ফাইকা যখন চেন ইএমপিডব্লিউডি PO education, principal officer Rwngswrwngnai যে কয়টা সিট থাকলে খালি দং 150 থেকে 200 জরাতি কোন রকম जों एडजास्ट खायोमोन आं मा सागानि थानि सिमिसे more than 300 people came and requested me for getting admission in Khumbu Academy बाहाय के जों बरनो मैनेज खायनाय finally Chini CEO EM education and all the executive committee members only support by we could take this decision that let us not try to take seats only in 150 available seats. Rather than that, we should start a new annex where 1,000, 2,000 more students should get admission. And it will be so nice that next year on, people will get the same facilities in their doorstep. Arabo thangnai. Tabuk teacher recruitment and tongo tutors are being recruited, they will go and teach there. So this way Wrngwngnai tinini mo sabo sa thajing samani tini chung bufang chikon sa kai khaoro and you will see after 10-20 years uno kutini Khumpui theke south ni Khumpui theke doctor, engineer, army officer, IAS officer there is only one IAS officer, our CEO CK Jomatia. I am sure Khana Jokon Chini Khumpui Academy Kubun Jagarok Soginai hundreds of CK Jomatia will come out from those schools. Abu Sichini main name I think CEO Sahab must be thinking Tabu Asag IAS officer bang yangino ang CEO Mangkha hundreds of the IAS officer takai ang ba CEO sa mangla khamune no his caliber cannot be debated. He is one of the most efficient IAS officers in this state ebong bini samungkumong belai serious. We want him to take up more serious job not only in education, also in roads and bridges, also in providing security, in agriculture, in rural development, in all spheres. Chini CEO Sahab bo Shillong ebong Guwahati trip ni porano phai letter after letters he will write and we will see more development in TTADC administration. So kabang ko kang mo salia saya hambano প্রায় 14 মিনিটের মতো কক সাইসিব জাকা তিনি কক সানান জরায়া जों যতন টং থকলাইনানি জরা কিন্তু নুকমানি তিনি আনো তাঙ্গি মরিসা রেমাই মো কর্ম কালার খাং সিয়াং সুতুই বিসিসা সাথায়া yang খাইছে কিন্তু তিনি আনো কর্মনো রেখাইছে আর যে বাকি রক নরমান আবু খাং যতন কালার নাই থকজাক কিন্তু অমো আনো রিরি খাইছে ফিয়াবা তিনি tong thokmani salo rimai kaisani kalar bayan tong thokmano bondo khaimanya kebo sai gna hi joro na useogrogno bo bisi korma sajak thaya bono kormon ridi nai. So thank you so much for all this arrangement and wish you all the very best and I wish all success for Khumpui Academy and jotono pal mili hoi teibo success Thinango tumna apse kok saino. I conclude my speech here. Thank you so much.